Hello and welcome to the Quicky podcast from AI Affairs. This is the brief on humanoid robots hitting the factory floor and, well, the massive security holes they're bringing with them. Automakers like BMW are proving these robots are absolutely ready for the assembly line. But, and this is a big but, security experts are now finding these huge, really exploitable flaws that could lead to some pretty serious physical and data breaches. So let's break down what you really need to know. First off, this isn't some science project anymore. These robots are really working in the real world. Take the Figure 02 robot. It just wrapped up an 11-month pilot at a BMW plant. Get this, it logged over 1,250 hours, loaded more than 90,000 parts, and helped build 30,000 vehicles. So yeah, this stuff is happening. Second, all that real-world use is making the hardware better and fast. They learned that the robot's forearm was its biggest weak spot. So what did they do? They completely redesigned the wrist electronics for the next model. That's a huge step. Okay, but finally, here's the bombshell. The cybersecurity is, frankly, a mess. An assessment of a production humanoid, the Unitree G1, found its encryption relies on a single static key. Just think about that. It's like having the exact same master key for every single robot they make. You crack one, you can get into all of them. And on top of that, the robot is just constantly streaming all of its internal data out. We're talking motor positions, battery stats, everything. So here's the bottom line. Humanoid robots are ready for industry for sure, but the manufacturing world needs to get serious about locking them down, and fast, before we see a widespread compromise. Thank you for listening, and see you next time on AI Affairs.